Welcome to Gill-tech. Let's get to this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to rig a worm. Also, if the audio quality sounds better, it's because I'm using my headphones as audio recording. So yeah, hopefully it sounds better. So I'm going to show you how to rig a worm. I'm pretty sure we've already showed you how to do this, but okay, get the worm. There's a couple ways. So get the hook, hook it through like that, then flip it around, then reel it through, then hook it in, and then straighten it out, and then that's how to fish it. There's also another way where you can get through the nose or whatever, and then go like this, just weave it through. This is the weaveless version, by the way. And then you take it through. There. And then you can do it a little more neater than that. And then you flip the hook so that it's facing in. This is really just an audio test, and also show you how to rig a worm. Also, I was just messing around and having Christmas lights because it's almost Christmas time. If you get a bobber and take off like the little thingy, you can go to your Christmas lights and you can use it as a Christmas light, I guess. And I can turn off the lights and just watch the Christmas lights. Well, that's pretty much it. This is just really an audio test to see if this works. And if this doesn't work, well, you'll still be seeing this video. It'll just sound a little weird. And thanks for watching. Gill-tech signing out. Fish line in tech. Also, I forgot to add in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see any specific videos of anything, please comment down below. And any questions you have, just comment them down below. And yeah, stay thirsty, my friends.